Here I have VIVO X80 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, all I need to do is to just open camera, switch to the normal photo mode and hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So I just hold it, move around my phone, and as you can see right now I took 20 shots. So by going here we can check out our burst photos, and that's how they look like, just like this. So yeah, here you can select the shot which fits you best and save it and just delete other ones. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.